Morón is an essential part of the Cuban landscape. Its strategic location, transportation infrastructure, cultural heritage, and agricultural production make it a vital hub of economic and cultural activity. While the town faces many challenges, its people remain committed to ensuring that Morón continues to play an important role in Cuba's past, present, and future.
Patria o muerte, venceremos.
Homeland or death, we will prevail. The phrase was first introduced by Fidel Castro in a speech commemorating the workers and soldiers who lost their lives in the La Cuba explosion on March 5, 1960, at the harbor in Havana. Morón is a lesser-known town in Cuba, but it has a rich history and culture. Here are some interesting facts that many people may not know about Morón. The name Morón comes from a tree called the Moron, which used to be abundant